Today I'm going to show you a couple of ways that you can make money on TikTok. The first and the most used method is to sell products through TikTok. You can make a video about your products on TikTok and you can add in a link on your TikTok bio. And when someone clicks on the link, they will be directed to the video to your website where they can purchase the products. Other than making only videos, you can make TikTok ads and promote those videos. The second way is if you don't have your own products, you can join affiliate programs. By joining these affiliate programs, you can promote about these products through a video, similarly add in the link or your affiliate link in the TikTok bio. And when someone buys a product from your TikTok link that you've added, you will get a commission. So those are the two ways if you have your own product or not. The third way is to join the TikTok Creator Fund. But however, TikTok Creator Fund is not available on every country. Only a few countries can join the Creator Fund. So if you are on the country where TikTok Fund is available, you can join the TikTok Creator Fund. The fourth way is if you have a decent amount of followers on your TikTok account, then companies will pay you money to promote their products, which is a sponsored post. You will get approached by companies to promote their products, and you can talk about their products and they will pay you money to talk about them. Receiving sponsors will however depend upon the niche you're on. So if you're on a niche that does not have many products, you will not get any sponsors from companies. So those are some of the ways that you can make money on TikTok. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.